In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your account in Roblox. So go to the top right in the gear icon and then click on Settings. And then in the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. And then all the way at the bottom, Account Deactivation and Deletion. And then right next to Deactivate Account, you'll see a red button saying Deactivate. So click on that, and then over here, they're going to tell you what happens when you deactivate your account. So you can click Deactivate to deactivate it. And just to explain before deactivating your account, it's just going to hide your profile. So if people search for your name in Roblox, they'll not be able to see your profile. And if you deactivate your account, you'll still have access to all your Robux when you reactivate it. So yeah, you're not going to lose anything. So let's just deactivate it real quick. And then they're going to send you an email, as you can see, to the email associated with your Roblox account. So just find this email. They're going to give you a code along with it. So this is my email. So let's just paste that in and then click on verify. And then it's going to say saved successfully. And that's it. So now it says account deactivated. If it says an unknown error occurred, that just means you just refresh the page and then it will say this message. So don't worry about that. And that's it. That's how you can deactivate your account in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.